So very good evening, all my dear friends from different
Good
parts
evening.
of my countries, India. Then, yeah, we all are here with the same purpose to improve our English, and day by day we are getting progress. We are picking up.
Yes. Good evening, sir.
Very good evening, sir.
Yeah, very good evening. And yeah, as
How
usual,
are
we
you?
are going to. Okay, yes. Yesterday we started something new, so
Right.
we will have
Yes.
3 or 4 people who will give us the feedback speech. And I have already announced 2 names, Anuj Dali and Dr. Sai.
Sahil. Right.
Yeah. And one more, yes. Where is Sagar Patil?
Sir, I am here.
Yeah, so are you ready for feedback speech?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so anyway, just we want to practice our English. Your role is different, but you all will
Right.
get chance to speak.
Yes, sir.
And one more time, okay, one more. I'm really confused today.
What
Why,
happened, sir?
sir?
No. Who will give feedback speech? I have already announced 3 names.
Right.
Is anybody
Sir,
ready?
I will, sir.
Yeah, 11.
I will, sir.
Okay, so
Yes,
11.
sir.
4 it's okay. Perfect. So just we are in 4 are enough. I'm also 5, and you will also get chance to give your feedback speech. So I am relaxed now. Okay, I'm relaxed.
Okay, sir.
So
Okay,
shall we
sir.
start now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Absolutely. Yes.
Just few days ago we discussed we need food, air, and water to survive ourselves. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
We need something more, motivation, inspiration, make progress in our
Right.
life. So how we get inspiration? Who inspire us? So I think must be the qualities of some people.
Right.
We follow
Right.
him
Yes,
because
Actually, the person who has achieved, sir.
yeah, that's why. So today let's start with Ashok Maurya because I think he did not get chance yesterday. So Ashok Maurya, are you ready to speak on your favorite personality, the characteristics of your favorite personality, and which
Yes,
characteristics
sir.
inspire you a lot? So yes, Ashok Maurya, let's start with you.
Sir, good evening. Good evening.
Yeah, very good
Sir.
evening. Very good evening.
Sir, thanks for giving me chance to speak in front of you. Sir, I introduce myself. Sir, my name is Ashok Maurya. I have completed post-graduation from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, and now currently I am currently I am preparing for UPSC exam. Sir, the personality which I like most is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who is our former president also. And sir, he is a great teacher, a scientist, as well as a president. He was born in Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu. Uh, he was very good in studies since his childhood, and he was born in very poor family. His father was uh, owner of a boat, so he worked with his father, and uh, uh, to earn extra income, uh, he also sell newspaper. Uh, Sir, he was a great scientist. He wrote many books, nearly about 25 books. He is fond of writing poems. Sir, he gives us very uh, good thoughts, just like if you want to shine like the sun, first burn like the sun. And second, sir, which I like the most, that you cannot change your future, but you can change your habits, and your habits will definitely change your future. So these types of thoughts inspire me very much. And sir, he worked in DRDO. He started his profession as a DRDO scientist, then he worked in ISRO, and also went to NASA. Sir, he has a great contribution in Indian, sir, in India.
Hmm.
Sir, thank you.
So these characteristics inspire you a lot. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, he was a great inspiration to a young generation also, sir.
Hmm. Okay, that's good. That's good.
Thank you, sir.
So wonderful. So I would like to go to Sai MBA to just give a feedback speech to Ashok Maurya.
Sir, actually have lost my power in the home, so have the system was shut down. Have not listened the speech of that.
Okay, no problem. Then I will go to Anuj Delhi. Yes, Anuj.
Okay, sir. Good evening, sir, and thank you for giving me an opportunity. So I could give some feedback about. Actually, when he started his sharing his experience, he was quite a bit nervous, but he chose a good subject. Our late President of India, Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and if I talk about his character, he was very optimistic person because he was also belongs to a uh, poor background.
Background.
Yes, and he want to develop his personality. So somewhere I also see the person, sir. I forgot his name, Sahil.
Yes, Sahil.
Yes. So somewhere I see also he want to achieve something in his life. The overall speech was very good, sir. That's it.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this feedback.
But I would like to say, I guess it was your first time
Yes,
in this
sir.
session. That's
Sir,
why
this is first.
yeah, that's why you was a bit nervous. You
Yes, sir. It is my first time that I'm speaking in front of anyone in English.
but later you spoke without any hesitation. That thing I noticed in you. That is a good thing. Good thing. If any person want to speak in English, somewhere I do some uh, take a pause and take hesitation in my speech. But I didn't see in your speech when you later you talking about our later President of India. That's it, sir. These are my point of view today.
Okay, so very nice, Ashok Maurya. Good luck, and you have chosen
Thank
your
you.
goal very high. And your role model
you,
is
sir.
also great inspiration. So definitely you will achieve your target, whatever you want to achieve. Just keep it up. Okay, we all are with you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So now
Thank you very
let's
much.
go to Kerala now, from Uttar Pradesh to North India to South India. Srivani. Yes, let's listen Srivani now, and Ilarani be ready to give a feedback speech to Srivani.
Okay. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. And if I am to tell on this topic, I don't have a specific personality whom I like a lot and who inspires me. But I can tell that those people who help other people in one way or in another are the real role models or are the real personalities. But most of us, or most of them, may not be known by us. Those people who help others, be it IAS officers, IPS officers, who serve for the country, or who serve for the people. They may not be known by us. We only know those people who do something special, and they make other people understand that they have done something big. But we have to focus on those people, or we have to make those people as role models who help other people, and they do not tell everyone that they have done such big. So um, they are the real model. They are the real role models. In my point of view, they are the real role models. So they inspire us to do so. They inspire us to help other people. So I think they are the real inspirations for us. Thank you.
Oh, very nice, very nice. So now, Ilarani, what's your point of view about this speech?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving me the opportunity to tell about Srivani. Srivani, right, sir? Her name?
Yeah.
Yes.
Srivani.
Yes. That we all know she is the younger of all of us here, and she is very sweet girl. 2-3 times I heard of her. So she is very little, but she speak very fluently, like the way we should talk. Her voice has a clarity, and she always speak in the point, and she well prepared for always what she she has to speak, and the way she is thinking right now, like a little girl, is a great thinker, I think, because also I did same, sir, because I don't have any one physical persons like I follow all of those great persons, even a tree, even a river, even a wind. I try to learn everything from everything I saw. What can I learn from them? So I see that thing in her, and all about her speaking and presenting is very good, and I think she will do very good in her life in future also, because she is very calm child, and also a good thinker, sir.
Definitely.
That's my point.
From the
Yeah.
very
Thank you so much, ma'am, for the feedback.
Thank you.
It makes me to improve a lot. So thank you so
Yeah,
much,
yeah.
ma'am.
So
You're
from
welcome.
the very first day, I have observed that some good qualities in Srivani, and that
Yes, sir.
also on the very first day I told you are inspiration on this platform. Because of you, we will get inspiration from you. And at early age, she is so matured. She has a different angle to think on topic. She's
Yes, sir.
she is cool as cucumber,
Yes, sir.
and she
Thank you,
speaks
sir.
logically.
Thank you so much.
Wonderful, yes. So today, let me go to yesterday's speakers who did not get chance yesterday. I think Gaurav Kumar, did you get chance yesterday? Gaurav Kumar, I'm asking you, did you get chance yesterday? Hello, he's not replying me. Then if you are, okay, you presented yesterday, but you did not get chance, just raise your hand. Because we are 27, so it's too difficult for me to observe all.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Narendra did
I am
not get
Sahil.
chance yesterday.
Yes,
I'll give the
Sahil.
feedback.
Okay, Sahil, you did not get chance?
Yeah,
I've
this is
got
my
that.
first
Today I'll
class.
give the feedback. If anyone speaks.
Okay. So Sahil, did you present yesterday?
Yes, I do.
Yeah. No. I am not present yesterday.
Okay. No, Sahil.
Today is my first
Yes,
class.
Sahil is speaking now.
Right.
Actually, my second speaker yesterday was Anna.
So you did not get chance yesterday, Sahil?
I have
Yes,
got
this is my first class.
I am asking you now, Sahil. Okay, Sahil, today this is your first day, so just wait.
Yes.
Okay,
No.
wait, please.
Okay.
Sir,
This
there
is
are
my
two
first class.
sides,
That
I hope so. There are two sides in this group, so
They are confusing.
Okay.
Uh,
So let's go.
is it true?
This is my name is Sahil Joshi. Sahil Joshi. You
Yeah,
can,
Sahil Joshi.
so yes, you can asking Joshi.
No problem. Here we have Dr. Sai. Okay, no problem. So let's go to Narendra because he did not get chance yesterday to speak. Yeah, Narendra.
Very good evening, everyone, and thank you so much, sir. So I want to request you, can I speak on yesterday's topic because I am not prepared for today's topic.
Okay, carry on. Carry on.
Okay. So yes, which quality that I have been developing in myself. So let me start with a little story. That one day I found that why lion is king of jungle. What is the special qualities in this animal that makes it a king? We all know that it's not a biggest animal. It's not a heavier. It's not the tallest even. It's not the most intelligent animal. But why it is a king of jungle? Why? So what is the quality that makes it very, the king of the universe? So yes, the one quality that I can say, attitude. So yes, due to attitude, lion is king of jungle, and every animal respects the lion. And how attitude help the lion? When elephant will come to lion, and what will he think first? That yes, I could eat it. Whether it's a larger, whether it's a more powerful animal than lion, but lion will think yes, I could eat it. So there is the attitude that makes lion very stronger. So this quality I likes a lot, that attitude is everything.
Hmm.
And so, and it is the, I can say this is the integration of the all the qualities in us. So one should have a great attitude. And also I like one comedy example I would like to share, that if somebody tells you, hey, you are a dog, but and you go to him and just started to fight with him, but just ask yourself, no, I'm not a dog, I don't have a tail, how should I have a dog? Can you see my tail? And ask him, can you see my tail? So no. So don't accept the things that is meaningless. That is the attitude we must have, that kind of attitude.
Hmm.
Just stop, so stop accepting the negative thing. This is the belief. This is the attitude. There is no definition of attitude, but it's kind of belief that we believe in ourselves. This is attitude. And yes, and apart from that, I am kind of aggressive person. I'm not cool as some. So, but one day I thought that this is not a weakness. Even if Virat Kohli is aggressive, he's the world best cricketer. Look at Cristiano Ronaldo. He's also aggressive and he's world best footballer. And what I feel that aggression gives you energy. It pushes out to do something. It gives us energy, especially me. So what I believe that yes, everyone has different. Some people are cool, some people are aggressive, but the factor depends is the attitude. We should have a positive and great attitude. That's all, sir.
Really wonderful. Wonderful, really.
So, so,
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
So, Santa Madam.
so I would like,
Yeah, Darshan. Santa Madam, please.
sir, I would like to give,
Feedback speech, Darshan.
yes, sir.
Okay, Darshan. Yeah.
Uh, sir, I would like to tell that to him. What's his name?
Narendra from Gujarat.
Yes, Narendra, you were good in your speech, but some examples may not match with that what you want to express. You were telling something about ignoring bullying or anything, something related to that. You were good in English, you were having a fluent English, but you need some clarity.
in examples and all. That's all, sir.
Okay, very nice.
Okay.
Okay, now Shanta madam, yesterday you were a person who just gave the feedback speech. So today I would like to go to you first. So yes, Shanta madam, feedback speech for
Sir.
Narendra.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, all of you. Sir, kindly repeat the question, sir. I didn't understand.
Okay, you have to give the feedback speech to Narendra because today
Okay.
he has chosen the yesterday's topic. That's why.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, sir. Narendra enthusiastically told about attitude, but he is some conversation is. I don't want to speak negatives, but I am telling. Don't think otherwise. Uh, he gave some speech on attitude and aggressiveness. Aggressiveness is not a good quality, I think, but sometimes we have to maintain aggressiveness, but always aggressive behavior is not good at all. So kindly try to manage your aggressiveness. Thank you. Thank you, Ananda.
Okay. So now let's go to Papia Tripura. Papia, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So,
And
sir,
Dr. Sai will be ready to give a feedback speech to Papia Tripura. Yeah.
yes, sir. So I want to tell about some of my teachers who have been my inspiration. There was not a single teacher or not a single person that has been my inspiration, but there was in my life I met some teachers that I can tell about some characteristic about them that really inspired me. So when I was in my school, there was a madam. So she really inspired me because besides her class in the school, she also takes coaching in free for the poor students. So that thing I remember, and I really inspired by that thing of my teacher. And then when I was in my college, I met an sir. So he was also a generous and kind person, and he also inspired us a lot. Whenever we get demotivated or like if we don't want to do the class regularly, so he always takes our phone number or contact number. He personally calls us, and he used to tell us that you should take classes regularly. And yeah, that characteristic also inspired me because no other teachers have been such characteristic that when a students not comes in the college, not in the school, even in the college, he never anyone's care about that, but he personally calls us and tells about that you should take class and you should regular in the class. So I think that thing also inspired me. And then, sir, I also want to talk about you, that you also an inspiration for us, we for all of us who are there. So that's also.
So thank you very much, Papia. Thank you very much. And let's go to Dr. Sai.
Sahil Joshi. Yes, Sahil. Confused I am.
Dr. Sai. Dr. Sai.
Okay, Dr. Sai.
Turn on your audio. Dr. Sai, please turn on your audio. Your audio is off.
Is it fine right now?
Perfect.
Okay, the speech was very good and excellent on this part. And I think she's murmuring in between lines of the sentence. She is not combined. It's all about breaking the sentence in between. And she have to prepare, advance in, you have to be more proactive, and you have to, maintain rehearsal when you go for a video call like that on public speaking. So my suggestion is about rehearsal. That's it.
Okay.
Making a rehearsal before she speaks whatever. Yeah.
Okay, so that's good. That's good. Okay, and let's go to Udaipur now. Udaipur, Pankaj, Udaipur.
Hi. Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening to all.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah. So I start with my today's topic. Sir, there are lots of inspirational person in my life, because I believe in that if I learn from anyone, he or she become my inspiration person, right? So I always used to learn from different peoples of different qualities. There are lots of people present in front of me in that video call who are inspiration for me, because everyone has a unique talent, and I can say unique characteristics. So, but I want to say about my two inspirational person, one of my teacher and one of my ex-boss. Okay, so I start with my teacher. I was in my school time. There was my principal. He was very good and very kind person, and if I can say, he changed my lifestyle, because he is very energetic, and when he starts to speaking, or I can say when he starts to talk, everyone becomes silent. Everyone wants to listen him carefully, because he always used to speak different. He always think logically, and he always think different. If we are thinking about an object or about a thing, he always used to think twice. Like he used to think logically also, and he used to think common also. So I learned from him to think logically for everything. And second one was my ex-boss. I learned management skill from him, because he managed very well his team, how to manage our team, how to handle our team, how to make work from our team. That's all, sir. And everyone is inspired in itself. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Very nice, really. Okay, for him, I would like to choose. Okay, Sahil Joshi, can you give a feedback speech to Pankaj Udaipur?
Yes. First of all, good evening, sir, and good evening, all of you. This is my first class, so I cannot talk about in feedback, but it's a very good speech, and it's good for in future, like teachers and manager, because it maximum to improve your skills and development in managers, like how to improve your skills. So that is good. And I am inspired my father, because I am proudly say to that my father is who has been to source inspired, because he is most special person of my life. So he loves me a lot of, and always to cheer of my whenever I am to sad mood or sadness time. And he's very carefully to regarding what I eat, and to my health related, and to every day is out of little time to me in talk to my father, because it how he's saying to what is your problem, what is your activity to day life, and it is my he's asking, he's my best friend. So so that is too easy to discuss my dad, and whatever I need his help. He is always available for me. So it's my father is am inspiring. That is it, because I am not actually this is my first class. I am not means uh, to improve my skills. So I'm normally asking. That's it.
Okay, that's good. So, my dear friends, we have only 2 minutes
Thank
left
you.
in this session, and new speakers don't know. We always have 2 sessions, so rest of the speakers will get chance in the second session. So every day I show this book. You all know that the title of this book is The Alchemist. How many of you have started reading this book? Have you started reading this book? Yeah, Anu.
I saw this first time here, sir.
Yeah.
Can you see again books? Hello.
The Alchemist.
Yeah.
Paulo
1 minute.
Coelho. Okay, Paulo Coelho.
Achha, okay.
Okay. The character, actually, tomorrow I would like to describe the character. This character gives me inspiration. It's a not non-fictional character, it's a fictional character. Santiago.
Okay.
Okay, shepherd boy.
Today is same time is continue in meeting.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
I would say some
Every day.
Every day we have 2 sessions. Okay. After 1 minute, our session will be ended. And we have one more session after 5 minutes with the same ID and password. Every day we have 2 sessions. Okay. So what I'm saying,
same time.
Yeah, 9 to 9:40 and 9:45 to then
10 o'clock, right?
40, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so why I'm showing you this book? Here is the character Santiago, and last 2 days I did not make any video because I'm busy with Santiago. I am learning characteristics of Santiago. Okay, and because of him, I have made one more goal. Okay, everybody knows my first goal.
Take me
You know
back
this?
to
Yeah,
yes.
in 2 years, I want to go there anyhow. Okay, I will leave no stone unturned to go there, and this is that's why we are arranging this type of meeting every day. And this Santiago has given me one more goal to explore India. Okay, so
Yes,
after
sir.
2 years, I will take leave for 6 months. Stop job and everything for 6 months. Then I will start my car. Then I start my journey with my family. My daughter, she will also stop her study also for 6 months.
Very good, sir. Very good. Very good.
All the best.
And in 2 phases, I would like to first North India or East India, or then after 6 months. So I want to do this. This is my dream, and some people say me, "You are stupid," but yes, I like this stupidity because I want.
No,
to
sir.
live
This
my
is
life.
not stupidity. This is